What's up, guys? So I have ordered this portable kettle. I would not call it kettle, even though they mention it clearly right here, because it can mostly be used for water. When you refer to kettle, it can warm up other things as well. At least that's what I think. But this one is mainly for the water. You can heat up with the water up to 100 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. And these are some touch buttons, on off button. Then we have the temperature control button, and on the top we have the stream output. So, and it can also its internals are of steel or metal, so that it can keep the water warm. It came in a box, by the way. I just removed it a few days ago, so that's why the box isn't here. On the bottom we have some rubber feet here, and you may be wondering why I ordered this one. Actually, I suffer through chronic issues with my throat, so I can't drink cold stuff, and since it is still winter right now, so I have ordered this one to keep some hot water with me, and whenever I need to, I can just pour some and mix it with the cold water, which is usually the room temperature right now, but it is cold due to winter, and then mix it up and make it normal temperature and drink it, so that it does not cause any issues with my throat. That's why this is where the power will go. It is not rechargeable, unfortunately. 3-pin input will go here, and you cannot use type C or any other things. The main power will come here. That's probably because of its high wattage. I'm not sure exactly how much wattage it is, but it should be around at least 1000 or 1200, something like that. And I think documentation and everything is still inside. I did not touch it. As you can see, it is metal still inside. See, so it can, even after boiling it, it can actually keep the water warm for quite a bit. So you have a bunch of user manual here. Then you have the matching. That's nice that they have matched the color scheme. Power cable here, and you can buy it in multiple colors, by the way, green, white, and other colors. I just went with the black one to match my design aesthetics in the room. There are a bunch of warnings here, like leave it for 1 to 2 minutes after boiling it, so that then remove the lid so that it does not hurt you. And then if you're on high mountains, then what to do. And also don't use it to like heat up high concentration drinks like soya bean, milk, rice paste, coffee, and cereal. So again, mainly for water, so just be warned. Is it 1 meter? Probably not 1 meter, but cable itself feels of good quality, so that's good. Even these legs of this switch are also of good quality. You can install neutral point here as well if you are up to it. And as you can see, this is our kettle, portable one, right? As you can see, so once it warms it, then it can also keep it warm, like maintain its temperature, so that you don't have to warm it regularly. So now that you know, let me pour some water inside it, and then let's see, let's boil some water in it. I'm going to switch location because all this setup of video recording is on an inverter, and this requires more power, and I'm not sure how much power my inverter is already on, so it will probably start crying if I use this one. Like, so let's change location and pour some water into it and try to boil it. Alright guys, so I have connected it with a power supply, and as you can see, it is showing me that it is on, and it is not heating anything because I haven't started heating. So let's pour some water inside it, and let's see how much time it takes it to boil it. Alright, let's close the lid. There we go, and let's set the temperature. Okay, 7 45, 60, 80. Let's go with 45 degrees. It has 45, 60, 80 and then 100. They say you should keep it steady. Right now it is switched to 22 degrees. So let's see how much time it takes it to actually change back to, okay, now it shows 40 degrees. It is increasing by the minute. Let's bring down the camera a little. I think right now you guys should be able to see the reading more clearly. Let me give an upper angle like this. I think at this angle you guys should be able to see it. Sorry, like this. I think this is much better. Okay, it quickly reached to 34 degrees. That's good. And I have set it to 40 degrees by the way. So let's see if it automatically shuts itself off. Down. 37, 38, 38 degrees, 39 degrees, 40 degrees. Let's see. If it is smart enough, it should just let it go. And if it is dumb, which I'm hoping it is not, then it should keep going. And it is going. That's not good. I guess you have to manually turn it off once the temperature is reached. Very minor one. Let's keep going. 43 degrees and counting. Alright, it looks like the temperature is reached, but battery of my camera is out, so this video will stop any moment now. So when it stops, it means it's done. So I'm saying bye before it shuts itself down, but it is still going. So I'm like letting the camera record it, and we'll see when it shuts itself down. 44 degrees. Still no steam, at least from the top. Okay, saying that temperature has been achieved. Did I set it to 45 degrees? I thought I set it to 40 degrees. Maybe it is 45 degrees it is. So it looks like it does achieve the temperature and then gives you a bell that the temperature has been reached. So that's good. It is not done. I was wrong. So before the camera turned itself off, it's good that I was able to tell you. Alright, let's remove it and see if it is warm. And it is warm. So just like it promised. So my recommendation, go for it. If you're looking for a cheap portable kettle, go for it, just for the water. Anyway, let me know what you think of it. Take great care of yourself. Bye.